Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set the duration of text in Canva. This is especially useful when creating videos or presentations, so your text appears at the right time and stays on screen for as long as you need. On the Canva dashboard, let's start by inserting a text box. To set the duration, all we need to do is click on the duration option. Here, we can see the current duration of our text. We can adjust it by expanding it. We expand it by dragging the handles on either side of the text box. We can drag from both ends. We can make the text appear throughout the whole video, or we can choose a specific time for it to appear. As you can see, when the playhead is outside the duration range, there is no text box visible on screen. And that is how we set the duration of a text box in Canva. With this simple adjustment, we can control the timing and make our designs more engaging and polished.